You think you understand the men in your life. You might even believe you've figured them out. But sometimes the realities of how men think and behave are different from what you expect. That leaves many women feeling confused in their relationships and longing for deeper understanding. It can be challenging to recognize these truths early on, but knowing them can make all the difference. There are a number of harsh truths about men that women often discover too late. In this video, we are going to reveal those truths and help you navigate your relationships with better insight. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome to a new video from the Heart Whisperer YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more relationship psychology videos and comment down below if you've experienced any of these truths yourself. And let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Harsh truth about men. A man will treat you based on the value he perceives in you. If he believes you're the most incredible woman he's ever met, you'll see his unwavering dedication and devotion. But if he seems confused and inconsistent, it's because his intentions with you are unclear to him. Just like someone who finds a diamond won't treat it like an ordinary stone, he won't treat you any less than extraordinary. However, remember that this has nothing to do with your inherent worth. It's entirely about how he perceives you. And that is harsh truth number 1 about men. Ladies, today I'll be revealing 5 harsh realities about men that women often realize too late. Listen to each one carefully, because I promise it will save you from disappointment, confusion, and heartbreak in the future. You need to hear this if you're a woman. Number 2. They will judge your body count. Most people, both men and women, say they want to know everything about your past, including how many sexual partners you've had. However, once you disclose all the details, it usually causes a lot of friction in the relationship. Ladies, I'm all about honesty, but you don't have to reveal every explicit detail, like every guy you've kissed or who was the best kisser. I understand that some of you might do this to boost a man's ego or make him jealous. While it might grab his attention in the moment, in the long run, it only leads to toxicity and unhealthy dynamics in the relationship. Why are there not more people talking about how men are weak to feminine energy? Number 3. Men are weak to feminine energy. Another harsh truth about men that women often learn too late is that men respond strongly to a woman's feminine energy. Some of you might think that's not true, while others know it's real because you've seen it work. Many women tell me, using feminine energy is working great for me, so it's real. Men are naturally drawn to feminine energy. This doesn't mean you can get any man you want by being feminine, but it definitely helps. Think of a woman who uses sweet names like baby or honey. Men are more willing to help her because her positive and loving energy makes them want to support her. Also, knowing how to receive help is important. If you always say, "I'm fine," you might push people away. Embrace your feminine energy and you'll build better relationships with men. Number 4. Men need their own space. Unlike women, who might seek connection through constant communication, men often prefer solitude to process their thoughts and emotions. This doesn't mean they're pulling away or losing interest. It's simply how they manage stress and maintain their well-being. Respect his need for space without taking it personally. Encourage him to take that time and use it as an opportunity to focus on your own interests and growth. Understanding this balance is crucial for a healthy relationship. Number 5. Men can be emotionally unavailable. Many men struggle with opening up emotionally. They might appear distant or detached because they've been conditioned to hide their feelings. This doesn't mean they don't care deeply, they just find it hard to express their emotions openly. Understanding this can help bridge the communication gap. Encourage him to share his feelings and create a safe space for him to do so without judgment. Recognize that his emotional unavailability isn't a reflection of your value, but rather his own struggles with vulnerability. It can be challenging to truly understand the men in your life. But if you are aware of these harsh truths, you will be able to recognize the difference between genuine intentions and behaviors that might lead to frustration and misunderstanding. If you notice any of these signs, then it might be time to reevaluate your relationship and consider whether it aligns with your needs and expectations. Please remember that everyone is unique, and the way men express themselves can vary widely. However, if they exhibit most of these truths, then they might not be the right match for you, even if you care deeply for them. And that realization can be tough, especially when emotions are involved. But the sooner you grasp these truths, the better equipped you will be to build healthier and more fulfilling relationships in the future. Understanding these harsh truths about men isn't meant to discourage you, but to empower you. Knowledge is the first step towards building stronger connections and healthier relationships. Remember, growth and understanding are ongoing processes, and it's okay to seek help or guidance along the way. It's important to communicate openly and honestly with the men in your life. Ask questions, share your feelings, and listen to theirs. The journey to understanding is a two-way street, and mutual respect is the foundation of any lasting relationship. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or a professional for support. You deserve to be in a relationship where you feel valued, understood, and loved. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on building better relationships and understanding the complexities of human connections. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can navigate the path to healthier and happier relationships.